Do you know what the main factors are for creating an amazing campaign and building a successful brand? Hi, I'm André Nicolau. I'm a photographer. I've been in the business for 18 years. I've worked with the top brands in Brazil and around the world. And today, together with Start, I'm going to talk a little about photography, about the creative process so you can create an amazing campaign for your brand, and all the steps to make a wonderful campaign. My photography class for fashion campaigns is already available on the Start platform. Shall we go check it out?